Hello, hello, hello. This is gonna be my first vlog with crocheting a project with me. My goal is to crochet a Fiesta top. Now, I don't know if Fiesta is popular everywhere. However, I'm currently in Texas in San Antonio for now, at least for the next few months, and we have a work event next week. In the real estate world, it's at a mortgage company, and it is tequila and tacos event, and I wanted to make a Fiesta top. Now, I looked on YouTube to see if there's like some Fiesta tops, and I didn't really see anything that would, actually I didn't really see anything Fiesta inspired. So I was like, okay, I looked on Pinterest, I saw some tops, which I'm gonna put a little screenshot of here, some inspiration that I want to make my top like. And then I thought, okay, with the Fiesta like theme, there's a lot of like ruffles kind of. So I basically went onto YouTube, I looked up like ruffle top. It's gonna be hot because Texas is already like it's like 80, now it's been like high 70s, low 80s, as they say it. And so probably next week it'll be like high 80s, 90s. So I want to do like a top. So I found this. Now I followed a tutorial with this girl for this like pink bobble stitch cardigan, and she's really good. I like her tutorials. It's very easy to follow, and so I figured that this would be something great to do. I'm also learning something new. I'm going to learn some new stitches. The only thing that I'm doing differently is that she's doing yellow, which yellow doesn't look really great on me. I was like, I could either do white or black. Well, I was like, well, everyone says black is hard to crochet with because you can't see the holes. So I challenged myself, and here we are. I'm gonna do it in black, and to make it Fiesta themed, I'm going to crochet some red flowers, some purple flowers, yellow flowers, and some green leaves, and then I'm gonna sew it onto this top. Now, it has been, I've already done this slip stitch in the back loop. Can you even see? Like, this is the base, the little scrunchy part at the bottom. And I hate this. I hate this type of stitch. Usually when I do like ribbing, it is the single crochet front back loop, single crochet back loop, alternate, and it gives like a ribbing. And there's another way to do it. Anyways, I like that because that's pretty easy and it looks cool, except for it's like thicker and wider. And so I think she wanted to go for like a more like skinnier base, or like, you know, it doesn't look as thick, and so I hate it, and it's taking forever. And so I've done it once on like cream colored. I went up to like the same amount, and my hands are hurting so bad, and so I frogged it because I was like, I didn't like the color. And then I was like, okay, I'm gonna use like, see how, like, I want to see if I would like the top with like the regular type of ribbing. Hated it. Now I'm doing this, not hated it, I just thought that this would look better, and I was like, I'll just be patient. So I got black. This took me so long, and I have to do your bust size minus 14 or 13 by measurements. That's like 20 something inches. I'm only right here, guys, and it's been 2 days. I mean, not 2 days. It was literally like one day because I can only crochet this in the daytime. I can't see the holes at night with like even good lighting, so I have to do it in the daytime. So here we are, day 2. I did this yesterday, or sorry, the night before, maybe for like an hour, maybe for like 45 minutes, and then my hands started hurting. So I'm gonna grab some lunch. I'm gonna try to crochet a little bit today and see how much progress I have, and then I'll keep updating you guys. To be honest, I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish it because I have to, today is Friday, I have to finish it by Thursday. That gives me 6 days, and I'm still working on some other projects that I want to finish. So realistically, I don't think I'm gonna finish it, but maybe if I do this with you guys on video, that I will try to finish it. So this is way too long, but here we are. This is my update. Okay, so I have been distracted these past like few hours. I ordered some groceries and then I crocheted for maybe like 20 minutes, barely anything. And then, yeah, but what I'm learning is that it's not horrible crocheting black as long as you are in front of the sunlight. So this slip stitch wasn't that I didn't like it, it was more so that it was dark. Couldn't see, but now that I can see. So tip for you guys, always crochet very bright light when you do black. But I really need a coffee. I have about an hour before Atlee comes back from school. JT's driving back from Dallas right now, so he'll be back tonight. But I'm thinking in a little bit I'm gonna go grab some coffee at the gas station, because I walked to Starbucks, it's like literally outside our neighborhood, and they closed, and then Natural Grocers is just outside. So I might go to Natural Grocers to get coffee. Both of them are just outside the gate, so yeah, we shall see, because I'm feeling tired. Hey guys, it is Tuesday. I did not update you Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, but I literally did not do the slip stitch technique that she was using. It just was taking forever, so I ended up doing these they are single crochets in the back panel, alternating, going back and forth, so it gives it a ribbed effect. That took a lot quicker. And then I just learned how to do, this weekend I learned how to do the alpine stitch, which is really cool. It's essentially double crochets, and then you kind of like work a double crochet down. You have to look it up, I can't really explain it, but I did one side of the shirt. This is very, very, very tight on me, like extremely tight. So I think I'm gonna wash it after I finish this side, and then I think it's gonna help loosen up the yarn. I've done that with one of my other shirts, because this is so tight I have to have like JT help me take it off. So that's the plan. It is Tuesday. I need this done by Thursday at 3 o'clock. Realistically, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to finish it, like I said last time, but I'm going to put this in the wash probably today, let it dry tomorrow. Tomorrow, Wednesday, I'm going to work on the flower and greenery separately, and then I'll sew them on probably Wednesday as well. And Wednesday night and Thursday morning, if I have time, I might end up adding the ruffles. I'm hoping I will, because I think it's going to really make it like very Fiesta-esque, but to be honest, if I don't, that's okay. At least I have floral right here, and I can just throw a cardigan on. So wish me luck. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. So I ended up making this side a little bit wider somehow. I don't know what happened, but that's okay. You really can't tell. So I'm now doing the little like flower lace details on the side, and this is really fun. It's chain 3, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and then start all over again. So of course you can check her tutorial, but this is making it look so pretty. And then I think next is ruffles. I was gonna try to embroider the stuff next, the flowers next, but I'm thinking I'm on such a roll that I'm going to do the ruffles and then the flowers tomorrow. Woohoo! Good morning. It's like 9 in the morning almost. Excuse the mess. I'm actually sitting in my youngest daughter's room because it has the best lighting. And so with that, I'm going to show you a little bit of progress. It is now Wednesday. The morning of Wednesday, I have till Thursday afternoon. I've added these little what did I do? Oh, yeah, there's these little floral details that are added onto the side of the insides. And then I'm currently working on the straps, the little fluttery straps. So this has been really fun. I love learning this ruffles. And then these flowers, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Yeah, you can see it better here. These flowers are so fun to make. So here we are a lot of detail actually. So I will be able to finish this, I think. I'm pretty sure. And so I'm going to finish the other side of the arms ruffles, and then probably tonight I'll start working on the flowers, and then I'll embroider those flowers on and sew them back on too. I sew them on. So sorry guys, I'm still trying to wake up, so I'm very like my voice is still weird, and I'll look like a moose, and I'm not really making sense, but I wanted to give you guys an update. So here we are. Hey guys, it is Thursday. Update. Wednesday, I stayed up till about 2 in the morning finishing the whole black top. My hands hurt so bad. I think this is the first time my wrists, forearms, and hands have hurt so bad. I think it's the type of yarn. It's like a lot harder and more sturdy. Anyways, it is Thursday. I feel like I'm on a timeline, and it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We probably won't go there till 5, but in a way I kind of don't want to go to this fiesta party anymore. It's tequilas and tacos. I don't know, I got so worked up making this, and I'm like, I kind of don't want to go, and we don't have to. I might, depending on how we feel, but I still have, like, there's still other fiesta work parties to go to, and also work events to go to, and then plus I can wear fiesta in Texas. But I'm gonna try to finish it. I am actually going to finish it. Okay, so the top is done. I have my daughter's dress to get a little inspo, and this is so cute. A friend gave it to her, and it's hand embroidered in Mexico. So it kind of gave me some inspiration. Kind of went for the same color scheme, except for I wish I had this type of blue. I'm wondering if I should add some orange. I don't know, I actually might add some orange, or would it be too fall? So ignore the strings. I just embroidered this rose and leaves, a few little small, this one has like five. I'm using these extra strings to sew them in. So this one has like 5 petals, 3, 4, and then I did a little forget-me-not, and then another 3 petal. I think I'm gonna sew these in, and then I'm gonna crochet embroider greenery in there, and maybe some like petals. So if I need to add some more flowers, I will. And then when I went to go use the bathroom, I completely forgot that I have the back. So today I might just do only the front, and then leave the black empty, and then the back empty, and then maybe finish off the back another day. So yeah, I think it's so cute. Okay, let me get this done. Guys, it is 2 o'clock, no, 2:45 on Thursday. Got the flowers embroidered and sewn on, not embroidered, crocheted and sewn on. And now, for the first time, I'm learning how to embroider with crochet yarn and a needle. So I'm just doing like this braid stitch, and I'm just kind of creating like vines throughout the shirt. It's gonna be so pretty. Okay, check back later. Do we like the bangs better, or the bangs to the side? Let's see. Oh, ooh, they're not working at the current moment, are they? Okay guys, cue the Spanish guitar in the background. Here guys is the final reveal. I did not actually wear it to the work party on Thursday, because when I finished this, I finished it at 3:30, and by that time I didn't want to go to the party anymore. However, I had a work event, or a work meeting today. Then I'm gonna have a few more fiesta events that I potentially could go to. So I'll be wearing this a lot. I should have vlogged for you guys at my work event wearing this, but here is the finished product, guys. I am so impressed. It actually took longer than I thought, but I'm so happy with it. I love this aspen stitch. I love this floral stitch. I want to make a sweater out of these aspen stitches. But most importantly, I'm so impressed with the flowers and the embroidery. It's the first time I've ever embroidered, and everything just looks so good. So actually, one thing that I would change on this tutorial, I'll link AC Crochet's tutorial in the description box. One thing I would change is that she had us chain like 7 and then just connect it to the ruffles on the side. And so when you can see like that chain, I probably would just sew the ruffles together like so, and then just have it connected instead of having the chain, because the chain makes it kind of look not as professional and not as like finished. But if I had the ruffles sewed together, and it also makes the ruffles like stick back a little bit. So I think I'm gonna do that on my own. I'm also, let me know what you guys think I should do. Should I add some more floral continuing all the way in the back on the wristband, on this waistband? Or should I add florals onto the straps right here? I'm just gonna add it onto the straps, not on the ruffly part, but on this part, all the way on the straps. So have it front right here and then on the straps. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now. And then maybe for next event, I'll add more flowers. Or I think maybe next year, I'll just add more flowers as years go by. We shall see. But very happy, super happy with the end result. Twirl. All right guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Or I might vlog a little bit more if I go to like some parties, fiesta parties. But until then, I shall see you soon.